Java is a platform-independent language. What does that mean? We all know computers are made of hardware and operating systems. So platform can be defined as a combination of both hardware and operating systems. Because hardware and operating systems provide an environment to run programs applications. Why do we need to worry about the platform for running the program? To understand this, we need to know how programs are running inside a computer. Imagine this: you are traveling to another country and you do not know the language spoken in the host country. How will you communicate? A lot of ways there. Having a translator with you is one of the simple ways. In the same way, any program written in any programming language cannot directly run on a computer. Because computer knows only binary or machine language. Here compiler plays a major role. It translates human-readable high-level language into machine language. The process of converting source code into machine code is called compilation. Again, the problem here is that compiled machine codes are very closely related to specific hardware and operating system. It means a compiled code using Windows operating systems will not run Mac operating systems. To achieve it, we need to recompile the program in Mac operating systems. All major languages C, C++ are platform dependent and Java is platform independent. Let us see how C and C++ work on computers. When the C++ program is written and compiled in Windows OS, the code is first converted into machine-readable language. The compilation process will generate natively executable code in the form of a .x file. This natively generated code runs only on Windows operating system. This file cannot run on Mac, Unix, or other operating systems as the machine code is different for different operating systems. Thus, C++ is platform-dependent programming language. Let us see how Java works. When a program is written and compiled in Java, it creates an intermediate code called bytecode. Bytecode adds this important feature in Java of being independent portable, as this bytecode is independent of the platforms. Hold on, this is too early for celebration. This bytecode is not executable. We need a translator for executing this bytecode. And JVM does this job. JVM converts the bytecodes into native code which is readable by a particular operating system. Thus the output is displayed. Hence, Java is called platform independent language.